See, here no picture is given. You need to transform this story into a diagram. So what is told here? An aeroplane at an altitude of 250 meter observes the angle of depression of two boats are on. First of all, the angle of depression, that means the aeroplane is flying, it's observing two boats, right? The depression of two boats on the opposite banks of a river to be 45 degree and 60 degree. Now, where the boats are? The opposite banks of a river. The boats are at the opposite banks of the river. So then where is the position of the aeroplane? If the boats are at the opposite sides of the aeroplane, that means aeroplane is in between two banks. So if I transform the entire story into pictorial form, that is how it looks like. BC is the entire river. So one boat is bank B, one boat is bank C. So opposite side of the river. Aeroplane and the boats are also opposite side of the aeroplane. So aeroplane is in between two boats. And the angle of depression for one boat is 60 degree. Actually, the angle of depression for boat B at bank B, the boat at bank B, that is 60 degree. That means AB is the line of sight and the angle between this horizontal line and the line of sight 60 degree. So if this is 60 degree, that means this is also 60 degree alternate angle. The similarly for another boat which is at bank C, the angle of depression 45 degree, that means here it is 45 degree with respect to alternate angle. That means in this particular triangle, now you draw perpendicular from A to A on the BC. So AD is the height. So at what height the aeroplane is at that point? So AD equals to 250 meter. So what is given? AD equals to 250 meter. Angle ACD 45 degree. Angle ABD 60 degree. Done. What you are supposed to find out? The width of the river, that is BC, where B is one bank, C is another bank. So what we are going to do? Both the cases for angle ABD, the angle is given and the height is given. AD is given. That means from here you need to find out BD. Easily you can find out. And from angle ACD also, AD is given, angle 45 degree is given. So you can find out CD also from here. So then you will sum up BD plus CD, that is the width of the river. So from triangle ABD, AD by BD, from triangle ABD, AD by BD equals to tan 60 degree, AD by BD equals to tan 60 degree. So AD will replace the value of AD 250 meter here. So 250 by BD equals to root 3, BD equals to 250 by root 3. So that is what already I got it for BD. Now from triangle ACD, AD by CD equals to tan of ACD, this one, this angle, tan of ACD. So tan of ACD means tan of 45 degree, that is equals to 1. So 250 by CD equals to 1, CD equals to 250. So this is also you got. So now you know BD, now you know CD. So BC equals to BD plus CD. BD plus CD. What is the value of BD? 250 by root 3. What is the value of CD? That is 250. So you sum up and it will come like this: 250 by root over 3 into root over 3 plus 1. If it's asked to find out the nearest whole number, then you need to replace the value of root 3 1.732, and with respect to the decimal number, you will come to the nearest whole number. So that is what your answer.